Hi guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. Today's look is one of my personal favorite makeup looks जो मैं हर रोज करती हूँ कहीं भी मुझे बाहर जाना हो या पार्टी में जाना हो. We are creating this very pretty pink flush glowing look and trust me by the end of this video you also want to recreate it. I'm also going to share some hacks along the way that I think you are going to love. So let's get into it. So before we start, I'm just using these two pins to set my front section. फर्स्ट थिंग आई एम गोइंग टू प्रेप माई स्किन बिकॉज ऑनेस्टली अगर बेस ही अच्छा नहीं होगा तो मेकअप कभी भी फ्लॉलेस नहीं लग सकता. For that, I am using this Max Rich Moisturizer. It has this super rich formula but feels so lightweight on the skin. I'm just applying it all over my face and see how easily it absorbs. बिल्कुल heavy feel नहीं होता और जैसे जैसे मैं इसको blend करती जाऊंगी you will notice कि मेरी skin और भी ज़्यादा glowy दिखेगी, which is exactly the kind of base we want. While that's settling in, I'm quickly moving to my lips because this is something I've never skipped. I am using the Dot& Key Gloss Boss Lip Balm in shade Cocoa Mint. This is literally my go-to forever. It hydrates so well. Lip balm is very important because last में जब हम lip look करेंगे, the lips already hydrated होंगे and everything will apply way better. Now comes a step that people love to skip, but please don't. I'm using the Nykaa Superlight Blur Peptide Primer. I'm just dotting it across my face and blending it in and see how instantly everything looks smoother. इससे आपके pores blur हो जाते हैं, skin even लगती है and it creates that perfect base for makeup. Next, I'm using the L'Oreal Paris Tinted Serum Foundation in shade Light Medium. This is super lightweight and it feels like skin. As I'm applying it, you can see how lightweight and fluid it is. It just melts right in. I'm using my fingers to blend it out and it just evens everything out so naturally. I've been using this for 12 months straight and I genuinely cannot see myself switching. It's comfortable, it's breathable, and it looked like skin but much better. Next, I'm going with the L'Oreal Paris Infallible Concealer in shade Almond. Just applying it under my eyes and wherever I need a little extra coverage. Here is a quick tip. After applying, let it sit for 1 to 2 minutes before blending. This just gives you a better coverage and makes everything look more flawless. Now as I blend it out, see how it brightens everything without creasing. Full coverage hai but still looks like skin, right? To set everything, I'm using the MAC Studio Fix Loose Powder, just slightly dusting it over. Now you watch how it just perfects the base without making it look flat or overly matte, sets everything in place, blurs out any remaining imperfections, and the skin just looks so smooth and polished after this. I focused a little more on the areas that get oily through the day just to make sure everything stays put. For locking everything in place, I'm using the MAC Revolution Super Misting Spray, holding it at arm's length and just letting it mist over the face. I love doing this between two because look at the glow. It just brings everything to life and it locks the makeup in place for 24 hours, which means everything we just did is not going anywhere. Moving on to the eyes now, I'm working with the Makeup Revolution eyeshadow palette and today I keep it really simple and pretty. I picked out this soft pink shade that just adds the most delicate wash of colors to the lid. I'm pressing it on gently and blending it out and see how it just open up the eyes in the most subtle and feminine way. Now to make the eyes really pop, I'm reaching for the Mars Double Trouble mascara, starting at the root and wingling the wand all the way to the tip and honestly just watch the difference. The mascara volumizes and lengthens at the same time, so in just two coats the lashes go from flat to full and faint out. It makes your eyes look so much more lifted and wide open without any effort at all. Okay, so this is the part I was most excited to show. I am picking the Zudio lip tint and yes, I am using this as a blush. I know it might look unexpected but just watch what happens. I'm applying it right along the cheekbone to lift and define the face and blending it out upward. See how that creates this gorgeous sculpted pink flush that makes the cheekbones look so lifted and prominent. It melts right into the skin and looks so natural and real. Moving on to the lips, first I'm lining with the Mars lip liner in shade Steamy Pink, and I always slightly fill my lips with the liner too, not just the outline. See how much that create this really defined even base. This step make the lipstick so much longer and the whole lip look just stay so much put together throughout the day. This shade is just perfect. Now I'm going with the K Beauty lip shade, and look at how beautifully that builds up. The color payoff is so gorgeous, and blending it over the lip liner just gives the most clean and polished look. And the final touch, I am finishing with the Mars gloss in shade Fuji Gum, and this shade is just everything. That glossy plumping effect just pulls the entire look together. I wear this shade with lipstick or without lipstick. It genuinely works every single time for me. I to love it. Now I'm reapplying the setting spray to lock everything in place. And yeah, that's the complete look. I'm genuinely so happy with how this turned out. It's fresh, soft, and super glowy. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video and maybe found something new to try. If you did, don't forget to like and comment. It really means a lot to me. And if you're new here, please do subscribe to my channel. I would love to have you here. I will see you in my next one. Okay, bye.